back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Twitty, and today we are talking about the Prada cropped denim jacket. Now, this jacket has been everywhere since it dropped in, I believe, 2021. It has basically gone viral. It's so popular, but it's also incredibly hard to get your hands on these days. If you are in the market for this jacket and you're considering buying it, please make sure to watch this video. I'll be talking about size, fit, styling it for you, and also discussing prices with you. So if that sounds good to you, please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know that you like this video and that you like this content. It also really supports my channel a lot. And then also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content. All right, so here is the jacket that we are discussing today. It is this beautiful cropped denim jacket. The first thing I noticed when I purchased this jacket is that it's not your typical like true blue American wash. It kind of has this like aged look to it, and it also has a lot of like tan undertones. So it truly is like, I feel like Prada's signature denim, so that it's not like easy to just like pair with any other denim if you want to be like matchy. It is like kind of a aged tanned color to it. As far as the material, it is 100% cotton denim, and then it also has this cute little Prada triangle plaque here, which is a black enamel on metal, which is also set on top of Prada's signature Saffiano leather. And so you have this little like metal triangle on top of the leather triangle that I just think is so cute, and it just adds that extra little bit to the jacket. And then the jacket also has two pockets on each side, and they're little like slit pockets here, no buttons or zippers or anything like that. And then the jacket actually zips to open and close it. Then my favorite part is that it arrives on a beautiful Prada hanger, and it has this gorgeous blue Prada tag on the inside. So now let's get into fit. The fit of the jacket is oversized. So it comes already oversized even if you get it true to size, and it has like this baggy, relaxed cut. I wouldn't say it's a boyfriend fit, because if you look at the jacket, they actually cut it at an angle from front to back. And so one thing that I think everyone should be aware of if you're interested in this jacket is that it actually kind of like flares out in the back. It's not like your typical like trucker jacket or boyfriend jacket. So it is cropped, and then it also kind of like flares out in the back. So if you're looking for a more fitted feel, this is not your jacket at all. It's going to be very roomy, it's going to be oversized, and you're also going to have a lot of space in like your shoulders and bust, which I love, because I hate that feeling when you get your size but you're like constricted in your arms and your shoulders. So I really love the fact that you have this like relaxed, nice feel. It did take me a while to get used to kind of like the back, because the way it kind of like just hangs and flares out, but now I'm over it and I think it's cute. So now let's talk about size. So like I said, it is a generous fit, so be prepared for it to be oversized. I am a US size 6, and I purchased this in my true size, which is a Italian 42 or a US 6. So as you can see, the jacket runs pretty large. It's really oversized, but I think that's what gives it the look, is that it's supposed to be this like relaxed, effortless little just like jacket, without it being too structured or too tailored. And so if you don't necessarily like that look, I do recommend sizing down 1, maybe even 2 sizes. Either way, it's still not going to be structured because of the cut. Like I said, the cut at the angle, which makes it kind of flare back, and the fact that like they did leave a lot of room in the shoulders, bust, and like the underarm area, and even across the back. So you're never going to get that like tight fit. I think even if you size down a few sizes, it's still going to be relaxed. But if you don't want like a lot of excess fabric or it to be too boxy, then you may want to size down just a couple just to see. Just to give you guys an idea, I'm also wearing the Prada denim dress right now. Like I said, I am a US 6. I purchased this in a size 38. So while I don't have another Prada jacket to show you, this dress is very similar. and it is Italian 38, which is a US size 2. And as you guys can see, it has that same big, generous look and feel on me. So that's the same thing you're going to experience with the jacket. Even if you were to size down, it's still going to be quite baggy, not tailored, but you'll just have less fabric than you would if you get your true size. All right, so now let's get into styling. I styled it 3 ways for you guys, but there are so many ways you can style this jacket. It is a denim jacket, so the options are endless. For this first way, I just styled it in the classic way, right? Exactly what you would expect as a jacket. My favorite way to wear this jacket is to pair it with a dress, because since it is like baggy and kind of like masculine, I love kind of adding the masculine with the girly and having that like feminine match with the edginess. And so as you can see, I have this cute little like ballerina dress that I paired the jacket with, and just adding like a cute little girly bag, and the boots kind of just plays along that, and I just love styling it this way. I love this look. And to keep playing with that like masculine glam, if you will, I also added a really sparkly bag. This is my Crystal Prada bag, which I previously reviewed for you guys. I love this bag so much, and I just felt like it added that extra little pop of girliness that was needed. And then to break up all the black and silver, I added my white Prada sunglasses, which I thought just like added a little contrast to the look. And for look number 2, I wanted to show you guys wearing the jacket actually as a top. And I think that this is like such a cute way to wear the jacket, because typically you see jackets worn as jackets, right? And so since it does have that like baggy, oversized feel, a great way to add some balance to it is to put on some really feminine pants. You could do any type of pants. This jacket is perfect for all year round. You do linen pants, silk, satin pants, a nice structured and well-tailored trouser would be gorgeous, a cigarette pant, ankle pants. I mean, you name it, you could do with this jacket just as the top, and your jacket is pretty much like the statement piece. And I just love that contrast. I think it's super cute. Here I paired it with a cute pair of pants, and then this time I decided to take the purse down and just wear like my regular Prada Re-Edition bag, and I just think it's like so simple and chic. And then for look number 3, we went back to the same dress that I wore in look number 1. We toned down the bag, and then I wanted to show you guys wearing the jacket just open, tossed over your shoulders. This is just, when I first got this jacket, that's exactly how I imagined. I knew I would be just like tossing it over all of my outfits. I love jackets that are just worn on the shoulder. I think it's like an effortlessly chic look. And so since it's so effortless, that's why I tried to tone down the bag. We're not trying to do like a full glam moment or anything like that. It's just, I'm running out and I just threw this jacket over my shoulders, and it's so cute, right? And so that's how this look came together, and I just think it's like one of the perfect ways to just like easily style any of your denim jackets. All right, and for the final item, I know everyone probably wants to talk about price. So I remember when this jacket first launched, and it launched at a retail price of $1,650 USD, which I already thought was like pretty up there, pretty stiff, right? But today the current selling price is $21.50, like directly from the boutique. This is the retail price. And so when we talk about like luxury being an investment, it's not just your handbags that appreciate. It can also be the ready to wear, and it's something to be mindful of when you're shopping for luxury and you're hearing about these price increases. It also hits the clothes as well, right? So from $16.50 to $21.50 is quite a significant jump. So if you're able to find this jacket, you know, you really have to figure out if that price where it is today works with your wardrobe and like the cost per wear. But I do recommend, if you can find it, to go ahead and grab it, because the way this price is increasing, I don't think it's going down any day. And I don't think Prada's stopping it at this price. I will say, if that price is a little too steep and you're just not having it, I feel you. There are alternatives at Prada. I am wearing a Prada denim dress. I recently did a video on this dress, so I'll put the link here so you can click and watch it. It is actually cheaper in retail price than the denim jacket, even though it has twice as much fabric, and that's just, you know, the popularity of the denim jacket. They're able to jack up the prices. So if you want the dress instead, I highly recommend you watching that video, because I also showed you how to style the dress as a jacket. So definitely go check it out after you finish this video. All right, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you liked it. What was your favorite way to style the denim jacket, or how would you style it? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already given this video a huge thumbs up, please make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.